Why does your scanner show the P0517 engine code? What does it mean? P0517 is a diagnostic trouble code for battery temperature sensor circuit high. This error code indicates the vehicle's powertrain control module or engine control module is receiving an abnormally high voltage reading, typically over 4.5 to 5.0 volts, from the battery temperature sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed battery temperature sensor. Wiring or connector damage. Heavy battery corrosion. Control module failure. Failed PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.